Camtasia and Snagit are two popular screen capture and video editing tools developed by TechSmith. When it comes to choosing between the two, it can be overwhelming, especially for those new to screen recording and video editing. First, let's start with Snagit, which is a powerful screen capture tool that allows users to capture and edit screenshots and videos. Snagit is ideal for creating quick tutorials, annotated screenshots, and short videos. It offers a range of features, including a vast library of stamps, callouts, and effects that can be used to enhance screenshots and videos. On the other hand, Camtasia is a more advanced video editing tool that offers a wide range of features, including screen recording, video editing, and sharing. Camtasia is ideal for creating longer, more complex videos, such as tutorials, presentations, and demos. It offers advanced features like multi-track editing, green screen, and visual effects. When deciding between Camtasia and Snagit, consider the type of project you are working on. If you need to create quick, simple screenshots or short videos, Snagit is the better choice. However, if you need to create longer, more complex videos, Camtasia is the way to go. In terms of pricing, Snagit is generally more affordable than Camtasia, with a one-time purchase option available. Camtasia, on the other hand, offers a subscription-based model, as well as a one-time purchase option. In conclusion, both Camtasia and Snagit are powerful tools that can help you create high-quality screenshots and videos. By understanding the features and capabilities of each tool, you can make an informed decision about which one is best for your needs. Whether you are a professional educator, marketer, or simply someone who wants to create engaging content, Camtasia and Snagit are both excellent choices.